Hello and welcome to Litehawk. This video here is talking about the Litehawk circuit and why did my set stop working? Well, it could be a few different things. Usually, most of the time it's due to the car. In the car what happens is the braids on the bottom, one of the braids kind of crosses over, they either touch or you go around a corner, the car slides sideways and one of the two braids hit both rails, which causes what we call a dead short, and there's a safety mechanism inside here which kills the power to the track. So that's really easy to solve, and the first thing is we just sit here and we kind of just unplug. There's no reset button, just unplug this, from the power adapter from the track. Wait 30 seconds or so. We're going to plug that back in. Make sure our braids on our car are going straight, they're separated and they're going straight back. We put that back on the track and we're back up and racing. So hopefully this will help you spend more time racing and less time troubleshooting. So if you have unplugged your set and you find that after plugging it back in and you've checked the braids on the car and it's still not working, now you're going to have to do a little bit of forensics on your track, and it could just be something as simple as a little piece of metal, a braid, a staple is running from one side of a rail on either one of the rails to the other, and that's conducting a minimal amount of electricity, but it is. And sometimes actually it happens not on the surface of the track, but it happens at the joining phase. So somewhere in here where the track joins together. So what I find is if you've got an old paintbrush or a clean paintbrush, take each track apart, brush it out, and then reassemble. And again, make sure to unplug the set from the wall when you're doing it, because you want to make sure that you're resetting. Basically, it's like tripping a fuse. So if it's not the braids and it isn't on the car, it usually is just a piece of foreign metal that somehow, some way got itself into the set. Some people have these set up for months at a time on their floor, and things do happen. So if it's not the car braids crossing and you have unplugged and you try to reset, my biggest suggestion is just take the set apart, clean it off with a soft brush, reassemble, and you should be good to go. Hope this was helpful. Until next time, have fun on your track.